We are looking for the next voice actor who could be an NPC in the upcoming Assassin's Creed game. Why not try your luck with this scene from Assassin's Creed Unity?
Oh, you take so long, piss pot.
Balak.
Yo, I should have known say you would have find me, you know. The only question is, what happened now?
You poisoned Mirabeau.
A Empire's away first. Peace with the Templars, a fairy tale.
And you're the only one who can save the Brotherhood?
You think say I first time this happen? The first time where assassins have been forced to purge their leadership? The first time that the Order has built itself back up from nothing to power? No. Masyaf, Montigoni, the American colonies. The whole light happened before, and we've risen anew, stronger than ever. But now, we lost with purpose, you know. We mire ourselves in a politics and revolutions. But we are not a nation. We are an army. And in an army, making peace with the enemy is called treason. But no, me are not the only one we can save the Brotherhood. Hey yo, pause. We can together.
Balak. You know I can't do that.
Ya pussy.